Hi, can you take out your NeuMeal Journal? Yes, you have a journal. You keep your diet plan and food log information somewhere, isn't it? That's your journal. If you don't have one till now, please make one. Let's make your journal a little more elaborate based on your eating behaviors. Note down in your journal your eating personality type, your eating triggers, and your cravings. Here is an example, a journal of Mr. Vishal. Vishal identified himself predominantly as a picky eater, but sometimes shows a passive eater behavior who eat mindlessly as well. Picky and passive. That's an interesting contrast. Vishal says that the communication with his NeuMeal mentor is the trigger that makes him a picky eater, and wonders if it's good to be picky. I hope he got it clarified from his mentor. His passive eating personality is triggered during his Saturday evening outings and late night movie sessions. We can see that he did a matching of eating persona and triggers, and it matches. So chances of a hidden persona type or triggers are low. Vishal has listed his cravings as spicy snacks, beer, and ice cream. Try to make a similar assessment and note the findings in your journal. In your next conversation with your mentor, this journal will come handy. Happy journaling!